Greetings and salutations. Anyways, welcome back. We have this Infiniti G37. It's kind of missing its front end and the hood, so we're gonna be fixing it today. We got the hood and fender. The bumper is missing.
Let's go show them. Let's go show them. Let's go.
So this is the parts van, you know what I'm saying?
You know.
Transported straight from the factory. The Miyagi factory.
Who painted it?
God knows. No, look at it, so clean. I just put my fingerprints all over it.
Glass.
That's what you do.
Alright, so what we need to do first is take this hood off. Alright, you guys ready to see this Hellcat motor? Woo! V6 dual intake, you know? The first step here is to take off the hood. So, how you do that? Bro, this guy's been coughing since the Sienna video, bro. Alright, so listen.
This is where our brake fluid goes, by the way.
Just in case you didn't know.
I never would have saw that if you didn't point it out.
So a hood is held on by 4 bolts, right? But if you look here, it's covered by this plastic, so you gotta little wedge it out. And then, wow. See that? And now there's 2 bolts exposed.
Now you repeat that on the other side, you know what I'm saying?
I'm looking for my trusty flat screwdriver. So you may think this is a flat, you know. What this is the hydraulic something. It holds this. It holds the hood up. You see that?
Look at this. I just realized what this
I'm
is.
talking. So what you need to do? You gotta pry it like that. Yo, is that guy okay?
Just go sit in the Sienna, bro. We don't want what you guys.
Why are you not holding it? So now this tab, come show. Can you see it? You got
The plastic is
you gotta pry it, and then it's gonna get heavy. Be ready. Oh.
Yeah, it actually got so much
Okay,
lighter.
and then you take the plastic off. All right, so the bonnet is held in by 4 12mm screws. Wait, Mr. Cameraman, there's one more screw. Can you handle this, sir? There you go. Now the hood. All right, now the hood should. Come on.
Yeah.
That is not the angle. Okay, ready? Wait.
Watch out, bro.
Don't scratch the bonnet.
Oh, I told you.
I'm trying to put on this brand new bonnet. Go on that side. You ready? You guys ready to see this? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
How do you do this, buddy?
Put your head on it.
So
can get the
you guys will
finger
see the beautiful effect. 1 screw down.
He corked it down.
And another screw down. You gotta use the intricate force of energy. Alright guys, so now we're gonna put on this plastic piece. What you gotta do is slide it and then. Yep.
Boom, 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 striker music. The car likes its new hood.
Show no, that's OEM.
No, it's not.
No, I'm being serious. That's OEM.
Really?
Yeah. We're gonna put this fender on, right? And this is about to look crazy. Oh, and the headlights.
Left wing.
Yeah.
What we do?
Is move this out the way. Gotta align it with the holes. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so I'm gonna line this bolt up. Ready, guys? One more bolt.
Nah, yeah. Is this the extension?
Yes. Alright, guys. There's also another bolt right here. We gotta make sure this spacing is not too close. So what you need to do is pull it, tighten it. Yeah, see, now this is what you call terrible spacing. But we're gonna show you how you fix this. Alright guys, there's one more bolt that I bet you guys didn't know about, but it's
Where?
right here. Tighten that. Let's see Wally tightening his first bolt of his career. This is where it all starts. Alright guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Alright guys, I'm leaving. We're out. Bye.
Alright guys, today we're doing the bumper. As you can see, it's, I don't know how we got it to fit, but we did.
Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Alright guys, so we gotta put the grills on the bumper because there's nothing on it. You know, the grills get on. The grills sit on this. These clips get in here.
And guys, make sure to be really careful because these are made from plastic, of course, and it will break.
Yeah, so you just gotta make sure all these line up, right? And then what you gotta do is you click it in, ready? Put it here.
And for some of them, it will mess up, so be careful. Guys, subscribe so we could get paid. Yeah, I need money. I'm driving a Honda Civic. Trying to show off them girls.
So we got both grills on, right? I can't wait to show you guys how it looks. This is the fog light. Guys, make sure you stay tuned because we're gonna wash the car. It's gonna look so shiny. Yeah. The grill, right? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot how this goes. I think but wait, no. This goes on first.
So while he does that, make sure to subscribe because more videos are gonna come out from us.
You know what? We're gonna wait for you to subscribe.
Hit that little bell.
And
Bro,
also,
get out
you
of
must hit the like button.
So first, we gotta get the light clips in, right?
We're gonna plug this fog light in. I know how to plug it. Okay, there you go. Put it in. Guys, look. Ready to see? Ready to see their car? Are you ready?
Open your eyes, bro. See his reaction. Get in. Oh yeah. Ooh. Look at him hard at work. Oh my, oh me. Washing it off.
Alright guys, the car is complete. Like, let's show us.